This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Taillight bulbs replacement. Open the tailgate and remove the taillight housing mounting bolts. Pull the housing rearwards until the housing retainers are free of the grommets. Then remove the housing from the body to access the bulbs. Remove the desired bulb by rotating the bulb holder 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it out of the housing. Pull the bulb straight out of the holder. Push the new bulb into the holder, then insert the holder into the housing and rotate 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Position the housing back onto the body, aligning the studs with the retaining grommets, then push the housing firmly into the body. Install the mounting bolts and tighten the bolts securely, but avoid cracking the plastic.